Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can edit the inventory or the inventory quantities of your products on Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, what you want to do first, once you're logged into Shopify, is go into products. As you can see, you can go into the inventory tab from here, and this will show you the inventory amounts of your products. Now, as you can see, you can change it directly from here. If I went to available and set it to 10 and click save, then the inventory amount for this example shirt will be set to 10. You can also set the unavailable quantity, the committed quantity as well. However, that is tied to orders, so you can't really change it from here. The other thing you can do is go directly into products and locate the product that you want. So for example, I'll go for these pants, and as you can see, the inventory wasn't tracked for this, so we'll go down and we'll click on track inventory for this product if I can just find it. So for some reason I cannot find it, so let me go back and select a different product since there should be one. Now this test product is a physical product, so I can go there, and if we go down, as you can see, inventory will be stocked at multiple locations. You can just keep that on, or you can select whichever locations you would like, and then just click on track quantity, and once you do, here you can edit the quantity as well. As you can see, on hand you can change it to whatever you want, and it will change the available as well. Committed, again, can't be replaced because it is tied to orders, and you can change the damaged amount of unavailable items, quality control, safety stock, and other by just adding inventory if you want. But pretty much once you're done with that, all you have to do is click save at the top of your page, and once that's done, your quantity will be changed and your inventory will be updated. Now if I go back to the products page, as you can see, for the test item, I have 10 in stock, and that is pretty much all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.